just had a snow blizzard last night, blowing snow all day. There's just so much snow. So anyway, right now I'm using the side-by-side to clean around the garage where where my wife Cheryl, she parks her school bus. So anyway, I've learned quite a few things about clearing snow with this thing over the years, and one of the things I'll show you right now, it really works quite well. So okay, we had a snow blizzard yesterday, January 31st, 2022. And we got just so much snow. You have a side-by-side Arctic Cat, and I have a blade in the front. And one thing I've learned over the years is how to actually clear snow, because for so many years I was trying to use it, and after a while it's like, well, if the snow's too deep, especially after a blizzard, it's so packed down that you know, you almost have to get someone in to do it. I'm going to show you right now what I've learned one of the main things I've learned over the years about getting rid of. First, in the back here, I made a small, just one post to the garage. I made a track enough so I can get through, just one, so I can start pushing snow beyond the driveway. What I've learned is you lower it, and instead of trying to go at the whole thing, all you do is you just take a little bit off at a time, because if you try to take off too much, what happens is your blade it'll just go flat. But if you do it like this, it'll actually slowly take off a little bit of snow, and then your blade will stay the way it is, and then you can just keep going and push it up against, and then you just keep doing that. And I was pretty surprised because, you know, the snow's so hard that I never thought I'd be able to do it, and then I finally figured it out, and it's just a trial and error. Another thing too, when you have a big pile of snow like this in front of you, what I've learned helps a little bit is if you raise your blade and then you hit the top, you can move it in a little bit farther. Go back again, lower it a little bit more, then do it again. Gotta raise the blade every time you back up, otherwise it gets stuck. And then you go all the way down, and then you do it the last time, and that'll kind of clear off that. It'll move your pile farther back, and that's kind of the goal for this kind of thing. There you go. Again, I'll take off another 6 inches or so. You can see it building up there. Doing this eventually, and it takes a while. One thing I've really learned on these things is that you just got to be patient. Patience is a big thing. It's either that or you get out there with a shovel and start shoveling, which of course isn't going to work. So. it worked. It just takes a while. Like I say, just patience is a big thing.